Los Realejos is a town of the Canary Islands located in the north of Tenerife. It has a surface of 57 square kilometers and a population of almost 37,000 people. In the year 2012, the town presents a high rate of youth unemployment and difficulties of women's and aged people employability. The same year, the local government, conscious about this issue, presented the initiative Cheque emprendedor. This is a subvention to promote and provide a better access to employment, while helping entrepreneurs to develop a business initiative in the town of Los Realejos. The candidate projects must be technically and economically viable, and they must be considered as a micro-enterprise or micro-SME. The amounts consider helping collectives with a higher rate of unemployment or exposure, or with more employability difficulties. A backing complementary service to entrepreneurs is provided by the local development agency. The project has counted on 11 calls between 2012 and 2018, applying a total budget of €341,026. In this period, 232 enterprises were benefited. The 97% belongs to self-employed people, and the rest were limited companies and others. This initiative has been complemented with other projects to promote the business sector, such as Remárcate, Local Cero, and Adáptate. Thanks to Cheque emprendedor, Los Realejos has achieved to drop the unemployment rate, and this has affected other business sectors, encouraging the competitiveness, the improvement, and the consolidation of the town enterprises. This project has become a reference for other places in Spain, making Los Realejos one of the towns with the widest enterprise assistance project catalog in the Canary Islands.